Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I want to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and kings and queens, for clicking on this here video. All right, y'all. So, I want to talk to y'all today about art, and I want to also talk to you today about pendants. Now, I got a comment the other day from one of the ladies that follow me here on the YT. I think it was Tamisha. But anywho, anyhow, she asked me a question about this ring. And I made this ring from a pair of earrings that I created. Now, I want to tell y'all about art. Art can be expressed in so many ways, whether it be through paint or jewelry or building or whatever that may be. Art can be expressed in so many ways, y'all. I am an artist that I like to create different things for many things. It doesn't matter to me what it is if I can create a design and make it something that somebody can wear and it looks good on them, then that's me. I love art, y'all. I love being an artist. I love being a crafter. I love being a designer. I love all of that, okay? When it comes to art, art cannot be silenced because you see what it is. You know what I mean? Art has a voice. You see it with your own eyes. Sometimes you can touch it, you can feel it. It's a lot of different things, y'all, when it comes to being an artist and art itself, okay? But I made this earring from an earring, I mean a ring, made this ring from an earring that I had gotten from my local beauty supply store. And I always tell y'all all the time to go to your local beauty supply store and grab some of that stuff in there. Sometimes that stuff is $1, sometimes it's $1.50, $2. But if you make something, if you grab something for $1 and you embellish it and you craft it and you make it the way, you add something else to it. You just don't buy it and resell it. You add something to it, you change it, you make it yours. And that way you can, when you start adding your own flavor to it, it pretty much makes it yours, okay? So I did a video last year about pendants and about what you can do with pendants. You can do so many things with pendants. This is going to be a ring. This is a butterfly. And this is, the color of this, y'all, is like a copper color. It's gorgeous. But you can make rings and really nice statement pieces from just going to the store and buying, a couple of pendants from your local beauty supply store. And you can make them for yourself or you can sell them. Like this one here is a little guitar. And down the bottom, and what's so neat about this is down the bottom, you have a flower. It's a note on here, and that look like a stiletto shoe. You can do, the sky is the limit, y'all, when it comes to creating and being an artist. For me, again, I'm constantly thinking outside the box. I don't stay in the box. I'm out the box all the time because that's just me. Everybody do things according to what makes them comfortable, okay? So you can go to the store, you can get some pendants, and you can make yourself something really, really cute. And for those of you who are crafters, like say for instance, those of you, because it's a lot of people on here who make cards and you can go to the store and embellish your cards and stuff with stuff like this. And this is stuff that you won't find like in the when you go to Joann's Fabrics, they don't sell stuff like this. I've never seen them sell pendants, but they sell what they sell. They sell beads, but they don't sell stuff like this. So if you go to your local beauty supply store, you pay $1.50, $2 for something like this. You can make somebody a really special card. You can make a ring out of this. Like, the sky is the limit. I say that all the time. I take the, I'm, me as an artist, y'all, I take the gloves off. Like, I'm constantly thinking about new things that I can create. Because I know that the sky is the limit, okay, to anything. So I just wanted to get on here today to just give y'all that information, to be a little bit more, let this year 2020 put yourself in a position to be open to more ideas, more things, upgrading your gifts and your talents, allowing yourself to be a little bit more creative. Step outside the comfort zone. Step outside the norm of being comfortable with just making certain things. Me, I can't do that. But that's just me. I can't say that for everybody. Some people don't like working with wire. Some people don't like painting. Some people, it's a lot of people don't like a lot of different things. But me, as a creator, I like to do everything. I take the limits off myself, y'all, and I'll allow myself. And I allow myself and give myself permission to become that creator that I want to be. I don't even know where I'm going to go or how things are going to go for me, but the sky is the limit, y'all. So, with that being said, and my speech, as I always do, y'all, I'm going to thank y'all for watching. And for those of you who are new to this here platform, please subscribe by hitting that all bell button on the side, because I do upload often. And every time I upload a video, you will definitely be notified. Please like and share. And until the next video, y'all, peace and blessings. See ya.